Hello friends, welcome to the tutorial series of Python programming. In this tutorial, we will learn about for loop in Python. Let's start. What is for loop in Python? The for loop in Python is simply used to iterate over a certain sequence, just like to iterate over a list of data like this one, to iterate over the tuples like this one, and to iterate over the string. This is iteration over the sequence is also called traversal. Now let's have see the syntax of for loop. Just like for any value in sequence, body of for. This is the syntax for Python for loop. Here you can see over here where is the variable. Val is the variable that takes the value of the item, and inside the sequence on its iteration, loop continues until we reach the last item in the sequence. Now let's try using some example of loop for loop. Just like if I get some list over here, just like I try for 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 11 comma 4. Yeah, you can have a look over here, and if I define the sum equal to 0 for val in numbers, for each value in number, this is the iterate this is what it is. It is we are doing just iteration over the list. This list is here, we are doing just iteration over the list, and just try over here sum plus val. Yeah, you can have a look over here and printing the sum is, yeah, just printing the sum over here. Okay, let's have a look the output for this program. You can see here the sum is 36. Over here is the total sum of this one. Now this is for list. Now let's try for the string in a list. Just like if I created this one, if I tried for, just like if I try for fruits, if fruits, just like you can see over here apple, mango, and okay, just like cherry. You can see over here, if I do iteration for the this one, and this is the list. If I done iteration for the list and just simply try to print for this variable, then you can have a look over here. Sorry, apple. Then see over here apple, mango, and cherry is printed continuously. Now just iteration over the single string. Just have a look over here for x in banana. You can have a look over here. If I try to print x over here, you can have a look what the output will arise. Yeah, VANA banana is printed in a column over here. Now just have a look over iteration over tuples. Just like if I define one value over here, just like 3, 4, and 5, and if I try to print, okay, just remove this one, just like 4 x in numbers, just print the value of x. You can have a look over here. Yeah, you can see over here the tuples are printed in a column of. This much example for loop. Now for loop, now let's have a look towards the range function. The range function, what is range function in Python? Just like you can simply we can simply generate a sequence of number using range. Just like if I try for range 10, it should print from 0 to 9 over here. From the 0 to 9, it includes the 10 numbers. We can also define the start, stop and step size for the range. On the syntax, simple syntax to define that range is just like over here, just started from where and then where to stop and step size of the range. Now just look at the example for range. Just if I try for to print range of 10, I just try to print it, you can see over here it will print, it is printing from 0 to 10 over. It is simply showing that we are asking for the range. Now just if we want each and every value of this in a list form, that is what are the number included inside the range of this up to range 10, then you can do like this one. If I try to print out this one, then obviously you shall see over here, yeah, this second one has printed from 0 to 9. Just like if I try for another one, see over here, if I try to print from list of range, it starts from 2 to 8, then for third step you can see over here it's printing from 2 to 7. It starts from 2 and it ends before 8 over here, which is 7. Now let's look for let's look in the third condition, third type of sequence condition. It's like if I try for just to get the range with this one with start point and end point along with the step size, just like along with the okay, just yeah, along with the step size over here, then it should print, yeah, just have a look over here. 2 in the interval of 3, it's 5, and 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14, and 14 plus 3 is 17. This is the simply step which step size for the range. Let's try for some of the example using range in for loop. Just like for a in range range up to 4, just print, oh sorry, this one, just print for a, you can see over here it should print from 0 to 3 over here, yeah, just like 0 to 3. Now for more example, let's have a look for a in range 2, 7, just like you can see over here. If I try to print this one, yeah, it starts from 2 and ends before 7. Now just for another one, if I search 2n and interval is 5, step size is 5, then you will see that 2 plus 5 is 7, and 7 plus 5 is 12, and 12 plus 5 is 17 over there. Just like now let's try one big example for Python for loop, which is for iteration over tuple, list and dictionary in a single example. Let's have a look. Just define one tuple over here which 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 7 8 9. I just have a look over here. This is the topper. Now just try to count the odd. Let's assign at first the odd is 0, then even is 0, then for x in numbers we are iterating over number. If x is small is 2, yeah, here you can count odd 1, else you can have a look over here, count even equal to 1. Just now just trying to print number of even numbers, that numbers in tuple, that above this one tuple. I was just trying to print that one over here. You can see if I try for count even, just copy over here for odd number in tuple count odd. You can have a look. If I try to print this one, then see over here number of even number in tuple, like this 2 4 6 8, it's 4, and odd number it's 5 1 3 5 7 9, it's total, that is 5. Now let's have a look iteration over the simple data set, certain data set, list of data. It's like if I try for data list, it's like it's array, it's like over here, string 0 to -1, yeah, just have a look over this one. And yeah, I also define certain set class fee, and it's 6, it's like a, yeah, just have a look over here. This is the data set. Now for item, I'm just trying to get the data type of this one using for loop. Yeah, just in data list you can see over here print type, sorry, type of this one item is comma type item. Yeah, now just have a look over here, what's the output we will get. See over here, okay, just see over here, we have see over here that this 1452 is just integer over here, 11.23 is just a float over here, and this is just a complex number over here, this is just a boolean. So just like over all the things are here, we have done this one. This is simply the dictionary over here. This is the iteration of all the data type we have shown over here. Now just try for dictionary, just iteration for over dictionary, just like define a simple dictionary. Okay, just we will take this dictionary. Okay, okay, just leave other, just taking this dictionary, and for item in print. Okay, print item. Yeah, this is the just iteration over there. That's okay. Simple here is rising. Okay, okay, sorry, this is not the array over here. Is this one? Yeah, just have a look over here. You can see the class and section is printed over here, which is the simply data set. Now this is the key over here. If I try for values, and just like if I try for values, just like for values in this one, data set dot values, if I try this one, and if I print the values over here, you can see over here it's showing me this value of the class and section key over here. Now just try for loop with else. The for loop can have an optional else block as well, just like for example, you can let's define one list of data over here. Yeah, this one in for I in digits. Yeah, this is the list. Just take the list and print the I over here, and just else. Yeah, print this one, no item left. Yeah, just have a look over here. Yeah, it's printing all the stuff over here. Just like let's try for more another example. Just like if I do certain stuff, just like if I tried, I think this should work over here. If I digits equal to 1, then okay, just wait. Oh, so it's not okay. Okay, let's try another example. Just like if I write just like name equal to Sushant over here, and just like obtain marks for okay, just my name over here, and just assigning some value over here, and just the Rohit over here, and just marks of Rohit. And if I try for x in marks, if x equal to name, just print the marks for the x. Yeah, or simply break the statement, or else you can just print no entry found. You have been a bit confused. I have written break over here. I will teach break and continue on next lecture. I will do that. Now let's run over here. You can see over here 90 is the output over here, which is the name, which is the marks of Sushant. You can see over here in this code, what I have done over here is just I was trying to find the name and printing the marks obtained by that name. Just like if I write here hello, then it should print out no entry found, because there is no name like hello over here. Yeah, just look at over here, no entry found is printed successfully. Okay, this much for the for loop. We will be doing while loop and others conditional loop in another section. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.